unusual modes of dress. Not every item that is decided, not every item that one decided to wear to cover or protect his body or to prevent discomforts is automatically defined as a garment. Okay, so meaning, I mean, we'll see. Even his thoughts was for protecting, for example, right? But if person went in unusual way, right? The article must be we said with a sweater, right? They put a sweater on the back and tie the sleeves in front. Okay. So again, the whole sentence: not every item that one decides to wear to cover or protect his body or to prevent discomforts automatically defines the garment. The article must be something that is normally worn by some people as a garment. To illustrate, Shulchan Aruch, Orach Chaim, 301:21, state that it is forbidden to go outdoors while wearing the box over one's head or a mat wrapped around one's body, even for protection from rain. Right? So when it starts raining, especially people in a city where it's very far from home and they have to wait for a bus or some, I don't know, all this, or it's far walk, right? So they put all the different things over their head, right? And sometimes people put the box, right, whole box with two hands, right, not to get wet. Very interesting. So okay, so or up mat around the body. Okay. Since the box and the mat are not resemble normal modes of dress at all, they cannot consider garments. Is this box to protect the person from elements? Yeah, 100%. Right. So, but it's not considered garment. One is therefore forbidden from wearing them in public domain, even from protection from the elements. It should be similarly forbidden to cover one's head or the body with a plastic bag of protection from elements, right? Especially when it's raining, so people put as I said, plastic bags on their head.